Leonel with eXp Realty, and welcome back to Mobile, Alabama Living. Today, I'm excited to show you an incredible home located in the beautiful Riverwood Estates subdivision, a place where elevated southern living meets modern comfort. And yes, this is one of those homes where you walk in and immediately think, yep, my house needs to step its game up. See, as we approach the front, check out this curb appeal. Stone, brick, wood, cedar accents. This home basically said, why choose one look when I could look amazing in all of them? It's also gold fortified, has spray foam insulation and Kevlar storm shutters, which means lower bills, better protection, and yet you get to brag to the neighbors about having a home stronger than their Wi-Fi signal. Inside, you're welcomed by an open, inviting layout with treated concrete floors throughout the main level. Super durable, super clean, and super helpful if you got kids, pets, or, let's be honest, a clumsy spouse. Recessed LED lighting brightens up every space so well you might not even notice the dust you didn't know you had. This kitchen, it's a real deal. Stone countertops, a big island with bar seating, and finishes that make you feel like you should suddenly start hosting dinner parties. You've got a formal dining room, a breakfast nook, and plenty of space whether you're feeding the family or pretending you're on a cooking show. The master suite, it's its own retreat. The triple tray ceiling gives that extra touch of elegance, like the home is wearing a bow tie. The bathroom features a jetted tub and a stone-tiled dual head shower, because why settle for one shower head when you could feel like you're in your own spa commercial? The home offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms total, plenty of room for family, guests, an office, or that one room where everything goes when you pretend you're organized. And the mud-style entrance from the garage is perfect for backpacks, muddy shoes, and anything else life throws at you. Out back, you've got a spacious fenced-in yard and a covered patio with a tongue and groove plank ceiling and recessed lighting. It's a perfect spot for grilling, relaxing, or yelling at your favorite football team. Respectfully, of course. Roll Tide. Living at Riverwood Estates also gives you access to in-ground pool, tennis and pickleball courts, a playground, and even a boat launch with private slips and a covered deck on Rabbit Creek and Dog River. Basics like resort living without the resort prices. Special shout out. This beautiful listing is courtesy of Stephen Hickman and Devin Schaff. They did a great, fantastic job bringing this home to the market. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your questions. This is Mobile, Alabama Living with Leonel. I'll see you in the next one, and here is a video tour of this great home.